All right, so in this video, what I want to go over is the different options that you have when you are going through your files for your Canva account that's been connected to your 360 account. So let's navigate there. On the menu on the left, we're going to go to Media Storage, and I have my Canva account connected. What we want to do is locate the files from our Canva account that we have connected. So what I want to do is go to the drop down box that says My Media on the left. We're going to go to our Canva account here. And let's say we want to click on a file and we want to click on the three dots here on the left. All right. So the options that you'll get for this particular one for Canva is edit in Canva, and then we have import to media library. Okay, so we can import this to media library here, and that will upload it to the um, My Media drop down option that we saw above that it automatically defaults to. So let's say I clicked on the import to media library, and then we have our pop-up right here that it provides you that says import from Canva. Okay, so here's our formats, the different formats that it does provide you. We have PNG, PDF, um, JPG. Those are the ones, and I'm sorry, GIF and MP4 and PPTX. These are the ones that are mostly used. The ones that people know more about are the PNG. It's just kind of just an image. A PDF, it's a PDF. Um, and then we have a JPG is also like an image. And then the other one would be a GIF, kind of like anything that you would load to if you've ever seen a GIF up to for a text message. Sometimes they're moving. Um, and then an MP4, which would be a video file. All right, so we're just going to keep it as a PNG because this is an image. And then we have our quality of regular. And then we have our paper size here of an A3, A4, legal, and letter. All right, so what we want to do is we want to keep it, change that back to PNG. Okay, we want to keep our quality at regular, formatted PNG, and then use lossless compression. You can leave that as is. If you want a transparent background, you can leave that as well, and then export as a single image. That is fine as well too. You can leave both of those blank if you need to, but if you do want to check them, that's totally fine as well. But you'll be able to see how it imports to your media library. So let's click import to media library. In the right hand side of your screen on the lower bottom, you'll see that it's trying to upload here. And then you'll see it continue to upload with the blue circle going around. If this seems to take a little bit longer than it needs to, I would just suggest clicking on the X here to close it out and then just try to redo it again. Right, so you'll see that here it has been copied over. And so you can close this box here. And now, so if you want to check to make sure that it uploaded successfully, you just click back on the drop down here. You click on My Media, and then you'll see that the document is now in the My Media files folder. All right. Let's do a part two for the edit in Canva.